Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Kelvin's Kitchen. Today we're making Halloween chocolate cupcakes. To begin, in a mixing bowl, add in 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, followed by 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1/3 of a cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and half a teaspoon of salt. Then whisk to combine the dry ingredients. Once the dry ingredients have been thoroughly combined, set it aside. In another mixing bowl, add in 1 cup of warm coffee, followed by 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, 1/3 of a cup of vegetable oil, 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract, and 1 large egg at room temperature. Then give that a whisk. Whisk, whisk, whisk. Now combine the wet and dry ingredients. Then whisk just until combined, do not overmix. Meanwhile, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, that is 177 degrees Celsius. Now fill a 12-count muffin tin with cupcake liners. Now use an ice cream scoop to portion the batter. Fill each cup 2/3 full, do not overfill. This batter will look a little bit lumpy, but no worries, that's the way it's supposed to look. Now bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 177 degrees Celsius for about 18 to 20 minutes. And after 20 minutes, your chocolate cupcakes will look like this. Let them sit in the pan for about 5 minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to allow them to cool off. And after they cooled off in the pan for 5 minutes, transfer them onto a wire rack and let them cool off completely. While they're cooling off, let's go ahead and make some buttercream frosting. In the mixing bowl of your stand mixer, add in 1 cup of room temperature unsalted butter. To make the buttercream frosting, we are using the whisk attachment. Whisk the butter on high speed for about 3 minutes, or until creamy and light in color. You may scrape the bottom of the bowl as needed. Then add in 3 cups of confectioner's sugar, 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now mix on low speed until the sugar incorporates. Then increase to medium-high speed and continue mixing for another 3 minutes. Remember to scrape the bottom of the bowl to ensure that everything is evenly incorporated. We want the frosting to be orange, therefore we are adding food coloring. You may add as much food coloring as you want, or you may not even add any food coloring at all, up to you. Once the buttercream frosting is to the desired color that you want, transfer into a piping bag. Your cupcakes have to be totally cooled down, otherwise the buttercream frosting wouldn't melt. Go ahead and add the frosting to your cupcakes just like so. Then to finish them off, top them with Halloween decoration cupcake toppers. Check them out, I think now you are ready to eat. There you guys have it. Halloween chocolate cupcakes. Enjoy. Buen provecho and thanks for watching. Bye.